Hi, I'm Jason Fox with John L. Scott Real Estate, and this is the Seattle Housing Market Update Report for September of 2022. You might be asking yourself, is it a buyer's market or is it a seller's market? Well, technically, it's a seller's market. The statistics determine that, but it might feel like a buyer's market. What do I mean by that? Well, compared to the last couple of years, we can now go out with buyers and tour multiple homes. We can put in an offer, oftentimes with no competition. We can offer a list price, sometimes even lower, and oftentimes get all of our contingencies. So, while it is still a seller's market, it kind of feels like a buyer's market. But let's take a look and see what the numbers say. The three key indicators. The first of which is the percentage of new listings that go pending within the first 30 days, or the percentage of homes that once we put them on the market, they get sold in that first month, right? So that number is 49.4% as of the recording of this report. Now, that's considered to be a strong market, and 50% is a surge market. So we're right on the borderline there. So homes are selling pretty swiftly. Now, the second indicator is the interest rate. And yes, we've ticked up a little bit since last month, and we are sitting at 6.02%. But that is still a pretty solid rate. And, with some of the concessions that we are getting as buyers, maybe we could use some of that money to buy down our interest rate. In addition, there was recently an article by Fannie Mae saying that they thought interest rates might be down as low as 4.5% by 2023. So maybe we could marry the house, as they say, and date the rate. Our third indicator is inventory. And right now in Snohomish County, we're sitting at about 1.4 months supply of inventory. Now, that's considered a shortage. So it's simple supply and demand. If we have a shortage of inventory, then the demand should be high. So typically we want to see about 3 or 4 months of supply before we start to call it a buyer's market. So it is a seller's market. However, we do have about 7 times as much inventory as we did a few months back when we were sitting at 0.2 and 0.3 months of supply. That's why Gary Keller, founder of Keller Williams, called this the most confusing market he's ever seen in his 40 plus years in this industry, because the signals are mixed. Is it a buyer's market? Is it a seller's market? Well, the truth is it's kind of a little bit of both. So if you're selling a home, we're still seeing pretty good high prices, and we're selling pretty swiftly. And if you're a buyer, we're starting to see a lot more inventory open up, and we are able to negotiate without a lot of competition, or sometimes any. And if you got any value out of this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And this has been your Snohomish County Housing Update Report for September 2022.